All right, and weather-wise across Connecticut, well, we're talking about temperatures that are considerably warmer than this time yesterday, of course. This is the big story in the right now situation. We're 23 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday, 4 o'clock in Meriden yesterday. We do have colder air that's beginning to work into the state. That's why the northwest corner not quite as chilly, but we're enjoying some late afternoon sunshine, a beautiful afternoon, of course, to spend time outdoors. Hope you were able to do so because this taste of April, even May-like weather is short-lived. It's basically going to be winding down here over the next couple of hours as colder air moves in. Our view from stores showing nice weather as well, and even along the shoreline, quite pleasant. Look with our iCam view from Old Saybrook. So we popped into the low and mid 60s along the shoreline, 64 in Hartford. After reaching 71, we're now down to 53 at Windsor Lock. So there's that colder air working into northern Connecticut, and it will continue making its way southeastward across our state over the next couple of hours. So this is something you will certainly feel. If you're heading out now, going to run some errands, by the time you perhaps come back home or wherever you may be going, you're going to notice that drop in temperature. The wind out of the west-northwest right now up at around 10 to 20 miles an hour. So we've got the colder air that is filtering in from areas to our north, and obviously to have wintry type precipitation, we need to have that cold air, and there will be plenty of it in place, at least at the beginning, for this next storm system to start off as snow that could be heavy at times in the pre-dawn hours of Friday. So we're going from spring rapidly back to winter before the week is up. So we've got the front that's offshore now. Behind it, the cold air is filtering in. We've got moisture that's gathering through the mid-Mississippi River Valley. We've got the area of low pressure that takes a track toward northwest, and a secondary storm develops right near southern Connecticut, an area of low pressure as it makes its way across, say, Long Island. So this evening, we'll see initially some clearing, and then clouds move back in overnight. Tomorrow, I think a mostly cloudy day, especially over the morning hours. By the afternoon, some breaks in the clouds before they move right back in. So tomorrow, cloudier and as well colder day with highs for our Thursday only in the low and mid 30s, inland mid, perhaps upper 30s at the Connecticut shoreline. Normal high for this time of year is around 41. So we go from well above average today with record warmth to about 5 degrees below average by tomorrow afternoon. So for Thursday night, that's when snow begins, especially around and after midnight. It will be snowing statewide for several hours before daybreak. And this is when we could see snowfall rates up to, if not over, 1 inch an hour. So that's going to quickly add up. We'll have snow on the ground for the morning commute. So I'm sure you'll be hearing from school districts over the next 24 hours. Businesses too, as there are likely going to be delays, if not closings, as we head into early Friday morning. While I wish I could say this is going to be snow from beginning to end, not the case. We've got the secondary storm developing south of Long Island. That's going to spread some milder air aloft over southern New England. That means we'll see a transition over to a wintry mix. That line could move all the way as far north as the Hartford area with some rain along the shoreline. Whatever mix of rain we have should go back over to some snow before it ends on Friday evening. Right now, thinking the areas where we could see well in excess of, say, 6 inches up in the hill towns of northern Connecticut, especially throughout Litchfield County. You hit 84 in Point Southeast, say 3 to 6 inches. Coastal southeast Connecticut around 1 to 3 inches there, given the mixing and perhaps even that rain. So once we get past Friday, Saturday features mostly sunny sky. Highs may only top out near freezing. Then on Sunday, we'll see an increase in cloud cover. It's going to be breezier with highs in the mid to upper 30s. And then Monday, highs only in the 20s, back in the mid 30s by next Tuesday, maybe a couple of flurries. And then Wednesday, back closer to the 40-degree mark. So for shoreline highs, 30s tomorrow as well as for Friday, 30s also through the upcoming weekend.